Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs, bringing you another lifted inventory vehicle from Krietz Auto. Here beside me, I have a 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500HD LTZ 4-door crew cab, and we're going to take a look at the specs on this vehicle. The lift is going to be a 7-inch Cognito suspension lift. Your wheel and tire package is going to be an XD Series Buck 25. It's a 20x10 with a -24 offset. The finish is gloss black and milled, and it's a clean looking wheel. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's a 35-1250 R20. Your running boards are going to be factory, but we can definitely switch those up if you choose to do so. And your fender flares are going to be your rough country pocketed fender flares that are painted to match the vehicle. If you guys like this vehicle, make sure you check out our lifted inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is 130996. And if you want to build your truck like this, make sure you shoot us a Facebook message at Krietz Customs or go to our gallery at KreitzCustoms.com.